YouTube guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another fantastic, fun cooking episode of Cooking with Chef with your host here, Iron Chef Mike. Today, guys, we're going to be cooking what I had promised and what I've been talking about. Finally, we're kind of done with the donuts in the past, but today I'm showing you guys how to make fudge brownies. Really, really good, chewy fudge brownie. This is going to be a very, very quick and very, very easy brownie episode. Now, on all the cooking videos that I do here, you guys are going to be able to click down in the description and see all the ingredients that I add. I will show them, obviously, in the beginning, just that way you guys can see as I'm pouring them in and what I'm mixing them in, and I'll let you know what it is. Actually, like measuring it out, timers, all that will be down in the description if you guys want to pause, follow along, or make this on your own. Thank you ahead of time for clicking a like and dropping a sub, becoming a part of the community, and supporting me as a creator on YouTube. It means the world to me. It lets me know that you guys are interested in seeing more Cooking with Chef episodes. Now, I already have my oven going at 350. That's right, it's gonna be cooked at 350 degrees. Now you're gonna be using a 9-inch pan, but I have an 8-inch pan. 8-inch pan will work. So you can do this over the stove or in the microwave. You're gonna melt your butter. Once you have your butter melted, you're gonna add that in. You don't want it to be hot when you're adding it in. You don't want to start the cooking process. Granulated sugar, and you're gonna cream these together. Now, fudge brownies are, I would say, my most favorite dessert. I do enjoy cookies, but it wasn't a brownie that we made a lot, but the cosmic brownies that you can get, like the little Debbie ones, those were my favorite ones to eat when I was a kid, so I just always enjoyed eating brownies. Add our cocoa powder. Start off slow. You don't want this to go anywhere, especially if you're wearing a white shirt. You don't want this to be flying around everywhere. Let this mix for like a minute or two. Turn this off real quick. You want to make sure that you're scraping your sides as you're going along. That way everything kind of gets thoroughly mixed. Next, we're going to be adding in our eggs. If you just pull them out, I mean, I would wait a little bit. Room temperature, it is probably best. We're going to mix that in low speed. Once the eggs are thoroughly mixed in, you're going to add your vanilla and your flour. Alrighty, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla. While it's still mixing, it's totally fine. Alright, once the vanilla is mixed in, we're going to go ahead and scrape in our sides again, fold in everything. That way we get a good mix before we add in the flour here. Alrighty, one good mix. It's going to turn into a little bit of a lighter chocolate. That's totally fine. And at this point, before you add your flour, if you would like to add in any chocolate chips or any chocolate chunks that you would like in the brownies, you can definitely do that. We're going to add in just a little bit at a time. First things first. Okay, we're not over mixing either. We're just allowing a little bit of, I almost full blasted that right now. I was like, oh, let's go. See, that can happen. You're not fully mixing. You're just folding in the flour. What happens is you have the flour working and doing its job, and then it creates a very tough kind of batter, and you want it to be thick but also in a weird sense like runny, so like you want an in-between mixture there. That way you still get the fudgy kind of texture in the center. Be the last bit of our flour here. So you can still see the edges that I need to scrape in here, which I'm going to do. I'm going to fold that in to make sure, but this is kind of where it is. Wrong way. Make sure that we fold in the sides here, give it one more nice small mix, and then we're going to portion it in our pan. You choose to use whatever cooking spray you would like. Personally, I use coconut oil if it's a spray. Spray it over. Quick little spray. Up and down real quick. I don't know, I was little, I used to like eat these and like lick the paddles and stuff. Not going to do that. Okay, I lied. Oh, I almost forgot. So, you can do this. There is a secret ingredient that I like to put in my brownie recipes. So, smoked paprika. A little bit of paprika in the brownie mix. And what this does is it gives it obviously a little spice, but not too much towards overpowering. Just enough to go, man, that was like... It hits you very late and in the back of your palate. So you taste a little sweet, it's very good. It's not overwhelming to make you come back for more of the brownie instead of feeling like you just ate so much sweets. Does that make sense? Get a teaspoon and put it in your brownie mix. And I promise you, bro, I promise you, Like I'm not. Hey, I'm not even trying to convince people. You try it. You tell me how it tastes. But I promise you, it's. Whew. So you're getting. Want to make sure that your brownies are completely mixed. All right. Do your best to kind of spread the mix out from corner to corner. 350 for 35 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 30 and see where it is. 29 minutes to burn. So you can clean up your mess. You can also watch the 4-minute video I have on 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. One minute. If you'd like, you can get you a sifter, not a shifter, sifter, and some powdered sugar. And once it's already cooled down, you give you nice little fine little snows over the top of it if you'd like. If not, and you want to just kind of keep it the way it is, maybe put some peanut butter on top, you know, do your thing. It's up to you. Cut these before you decide to put powdered sugar on them, if that's the way that you're gonna go. Oh yeah, you can tell, bro. Yeah, these are the fudgy brownies. Dude, yeah, you can see and you can tell. You can see like, okay, this is gonna be the fudge. And this was the 8-inch pan. Again, 30 minutes right on the dot. It was enough for it. Honestly, you know what? I think I'm just gonna do powdered sugar on all of them. Why not? Like a tablespoon. If you do have a rubber spatula, it helps for the clumps. But first, you can just kind of lightly hit it.